Alright guys, so test ride tayo ng Triumph Speed 400. Bago pa although is 2,708 lang. Hello guys, good day. Currently we are testing the Speed 400 from Triumph Motorcycles. 9.5 horsepower. Hindi siya ganun kalakasan, but I think the major selling point here is the price. If you are into motorcycles or new to motorcycles and you want to jump ahead on the 400cc category, I think isa ito sa mga may i-consider mo or you can add it to your list sa pagpipilian mo. Kaya ako nasabi is current price niya is 299,000 Philippine peso. Sa price na yon, you will get ride by wire at magaan siya guys. So I'm 5'9", both feet ko is on nasa ground, and you also get a nice brake, yung entry level ni Brembo, which is yung Vibri or by Brembo, I think that's what they called it. Good looking dashboard. Malaki yung kilometer per hour mo. Then meron ka ditong indicator ng gear mo. Then also the RPM. Then fuel gauge. Smooth yung shifting nito This bike is made in India, by the way. So shout out sa mga insa natin dyan. Yung mga plastic parts nya hindi naman cheap, you know, hindi siya cheap plastic, well built naman. Even the red switches, hindi siya cheap tignan, hindi siya cheap pakiramdaman kapag pinipindot mo. Even the toggle switch nung signal lights mo, okay naman siya. Kumbaga maganda yung pagkakagawa. Yung front fork or front shock natin is hindi siya adjustable. Yung rear shock, I think preload adjustable siya. Yung mga competitor nito, I think would be the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450. Hindi ka masyadong pinalad sa height. Itong bike na to okay para sa'yo. Then hindi nakaka-overwhelm yung power. So maganda siya para sa first step mo into big bikes. Also, if you're looking for a motorcycle that can enter our expressway, then you're in a tight budget, itong Speed 400 pwede mo rin tong magamit or pwede mo maging option. The bike is light and nimble. Okay na okay for everyday use, for everyday ride in the city. Ang angas nitong tignan or maporma to, lalo na kapag nagpalit ka ng pipe, kasi yung grunge ng 400 o yung 398cc mo is lalabas talaga. Alright.